people are in the hospital and stuff like that. But because of that, I want to stay in London and see some of these people. You understand? Because I don't know where most of you are from, but the love you guys show me, for you to come to my concert and, you know, all these things will happen and I won't come here and just let you know the situation, then I'll be a hypocrite. You get me? So, let me give you the genesis of this whole ShattaFest UK stuff. And that is why, you know, the demigod I play, I say, when I talk, you don't talk. Your power no be God. Cause you don't know me, I be demigod. Bro, I've worked with a whole lot of people and I've told them how we need to plan things, how we need to move with things, how we need to go about things. And most of them didn't listen to me. Most of them didn't pay attention to me. But today we are here. As this show, they can't start. As this show was about to, you know, get where it get to. Me, I get my feeling. That's why if you listen to my Yawani, I say, me too, I get feeling. So in Kegbo Jimmy, Aladdin, Game Genie. Listen to what I'm saying again. Me too, I get feeling. So in Kegbo Jimmy, Aladdin, Game Genie. You know rich in Kayo Ibini. Heabina, in a Lamborghini. Unwan Jem Fem brand new. Etuno K5. Namochele, who call you? Akeyeba, me and Shonu Jimmy. Afangbedana phone draw. Ya be ye Germany, Hoton. Ole we abonini wabo. Kejilala macho near Kumo imbo. When you want choose to street over bow tie. When a lawyer, she can no lie. If I follow them, like I go die. So I go follow guys. Nessa, me Malia lo, Dabi. Why am I singing this? Me too, I get feelings. Any promoter that calls me for a show outside Ghana, I keep telling them, my things are different. Any promoter that tells me, Shatta, we need to do this, I tell them, me, the way I organize my team, it be different from any artist in the world. But when you talk like this, somebody see you as a braggart. Some people see you like, what is this right there? What did I ask for? Coming to UK. I told Akwaaba UK that, Akwaaba UK, I need my team. I know all of you asking about where Abonko, where's Abonko, where's Abonko. Yes, I need my team to be around. Because my team, where they go to tell you promoter, say this is wrong. This is wrong. Shatta movement, we no care where we did. We go tell you something where you know hear for your life inside before. And if you don't listen, that is what is going to happen. Listen, Shatta movement, we no care wherever we dey in the world. Because what we go tell you, you know here before. Because we want to things to be different. God's things are different. That is why when I started this, I said, there is a different talk from spiritual world. And there's a different talk also in the physical world. So when you're talking physically, know that you are talking, yes. But in the spiritual world, you might be talking nonsense. As today we see things, as today we hear things. You understand me? God speaks and we hear. Some of you, maybe because of stubbornness, so you know they hear when God talk. That is why God has brought an artist who won't dress like a pastor and come and sit in front of you and portray, I'm holy, I'm holy. I am not holy. I am not a holy person in this world. I am not perfect. But I just have the gift of hearing. That when I hear, I can predict in my head Anybody that has moved around Shatta Wale will tell you, unless liars and people that don't want you to see what the truth is. I am weird, bro. Me, I be weird person. Me now, I know say I be weird. Not what human beings they do, be what me they do. Maybe you like doggy. Maybe me I like ceiling. You understand me? I be different person. But I don't know how many times where I'm from back in my country where people just don't want to learn. Keep still fighting the spirit Shatta Wale. Forget about the brand Shatta Wale. The spirit Shatta Wale. Bro, Shatta Wale is God, bro. I am not God, but the name Shatta Wale was ordained by God. That is a godly name. Like the way you know Angel Gabriel, you know Angel Michael, that they put in your heads. That you can see that you have angel around you. That is what is happening in the spiritual world right now. You are just watching the physical. How you go fit do show? Where I go tell you from Ghana. Say, bro, bring my team. I have my road manager, Mawina, she's there. Bunko is there. Joed is there. Solash, my security team, everything. Bro, when we even do show for Ghana, we did tire, but we did succeed. You know why? Because even the fans, when they did the crowd inside, they control them, and the fans from where if some fan the fool. How you go to do this? Say, I come UK, for come UK, and they tell you, say, bring my team. Yes, the UK government, everything, the civil, yes, what the council, whatever. Somebody needs to tell them who is coming. And don't doubt me, don't get me wrong. Before this show will start, these white people, maybe people think say it be Ghana person, maybe Dennis way, Akwaaba UK and team where they organize. It be white people where they do the event. You know, be Ghana person where he set up the stage, and it be white people. And these white people were constantly calling my management to tell them that no. And see what a white man, a God bless white man. God bless white man. These people were telling Akwaaba UK and my team that the artist way to bring them, it be high security risk type of artist. So make sure say we put everything in place proper for this person. The white people, they don't know me. The white people, they don't know me. They do research. Where did they send message? But you see when I'm promoters, that boy say when I talk, you don't talk. Your power no be God. Because you don't know me. You don't know me. I be them God. God is here. No fear. It go be. No care. Go straight. Before them go see. Or before them go reach. Then you did it. The white people, they did talk to my team. They did tell them, say, yo, bro. Yo, the artists they bring come. It be high security risk. Artists. So make sure you put everything in place. I'm not talking saying nobody do it. Man, we ready. My ShattaFest we do for Ghana. You don't see the way. Shouts to Rich Nyamako. You don't see the way you can set up the food bank for their instance. Bama, how come Shatta Wale in show? You still won't make them. I don't know if it's greed or something. This is ShattaFest. ShattaFest, people pour them a blood for Accra, for Ghana. ShattaFest, it be spiritual, people die. ShattaFest, it no be normal concert. ShattaFest be spiritual concerts. People, they come listen to God. Shatta movement, it be God movement. You know, be man movement. Bro. But still, you want to lie to your people in London and do a party in the park for them. Who says party in the park is not beautiful? Yes. We've watched videos. You see parents with their kids, you know, blankets on the floor. People are partying. Some people are cooking. Yes, that is what you guys do here. But when we say ShattaFest, God comes to Shatta. When we say Shatta show, that's where God they come show. Forget where people they see. When we say Shatta movement, God and the angels, they come the show so. And when God doesn't like what is happening, God will show a sign. We spoke about this. The white people spoke to us several times. And my team kept telling me, Charlie, did they tell your man, say, Charlie, it be high school. Dennis, you could have told these people that, yo, you see this guy to come. Let's just make way for this. That's why as my team no come, you see the way things go. Because like if my team come where they can do wrecking for the pitch, for everywhere. A bonko, you see a bonko. Forget everybody from my team said. You see a bonko. He go tell you, do this entrance. Open here. The barricades, do them like this. But we will go show and barricades they there. And we tell the promoters to need to believe. The fans, they be, I don't know what type of music I play. Myself. But they are hearing God in the song. So it motivates, it encourage, it push people to move where they want to move in life. People are using Shatta music to build their lives. So it is not a normal ShattaFest. You will come do and do party in the park. That wasn't a party in the park show. I'm telling you guys, bro. And I talk about this thing from Ghana. They don't go and do it. You guys can remember 4 years ago, I told Akwaaba the same thing. He just use my album to do maybe special edition party, but to make it my show so people will have an idea of what the show is about. But I mean, if I do my shows, it be 18 plus. Oh. If I do my shows, it be 18 plus. You understand me? If I do my shows, it be 18 plus. Because I know what I'm talking about. I have kids, bro. Sometimes you put the feet there and see Shatta Wale like, in there they talk anyhow, and but people are just talking from the physical side of the world, so I don't even, mind sometimes. My shows are not shows that if you want even kids to come, you for tell me, because I will tell you, say no, don't make kids come to this thing. Why you can't organize? I did tell you, see, sometimes people for just understand me. Because the Ghanaians, some of us, our mentality, they're sad. The fans don't know about this. But I spoke about this, I talk about this. I swear, anybody asks medical, ask my team. I tell them, say, see this thing they need to do. I swear, police go come the show, you can't cancel the show. I talk this thing. Because nigga won't do things like in his own way. You understand me? Why would you lie to people that this party in the park when you know it's shut? Didn't you see the festival we had in Ghana? Even that one safe. We tried so hard to control the crowd. We tried. People even collapse and things, but we tried. Why you can't lie to people in London say they can't do party in the park, and you know it's not party in the park? Shatta is a different artist from any artist in the world. When they go somewhere, I don't know what I told God, but I believe God is just touching me and blessing me. I don't know, bro. When we talk, you don't want to hear. I tell you from Ghana, say Dennis, even though listen to me, this show, it go shock you. Me, I tell medical, I say anybody know medical, ask them. I tell my team, if you know my team, ask them. Including my wife, I tell them. Say, you see the way this guy they organize the team, police go come there. Police go come there. Because I don't even see the setup yet, but I see what he try to do. Like, okay, so, and you see, Mama, you see greed there. You go make you do something, then later go say, hey, how, yeah. Greed. Oh, Shatta they come, so make I use the party in the park, make jam. So say next year I will do my own, no? Because no, bro, no. You see, people they complain about party in the park. Oh, you understand me? I just wanted to help. The agreements may you have, you know already. You understand me? I just don't want to disclose here. It was my part. to move myself here. But it was your part to also get my team here. You don't get my team here. I just come with my wives. There are other people, they see some flex them, people collect visa for them. Some people, they don't, they don't know if it even talk to you because them, they are visa lawyer people. You understand me? And they know I'm pissed. You understand? Because they know if it tell you, other, no, Shatta, you know they do it like, no, hey, this one, no go fit one like, no, this one, but you know, you got something. You understand me? You don't bring any of my team here. Maybe they can't show you, or maybe they can't talk to this white person and say, thank you, whatever. Okay, Shatta, this is what we have to do. We have to do this. Just in case, Shatta, if they perform, they charge and the energy way they the area. So let's get this and let's get this. Let's open here. Let's do this. Let's do that. You make people, the McPickins come say that they can't party in the park. We want you ShattaFest cover. Well, God go talk. When God talk, when God talk, sometimes, sometimes I see in a bad way, but bro, Dennis knows. This thing they go, you know, I tell him. You know, everybody, I tell everybody. Say police will come their show. And I thank the UK police and the paramedics team and everybody, the council, everybody that really stopped this show. I thank them so much because why you go make why we know they make the narrations right